Data points for AI and chatbots. Artificial intelligence (AI) has become an integral part of both commercial operations and daily life around the world. The integration of AI technology has a wide range of applications, from personal conveniences to strategic business aims, and its influence is growing. Understanding stay current on the pervasive impact of AI as we approach 2024, it is critical to comprehend some of the most important facts and trends in the industry. Here, we'll look at current and crucial data points that show AI's importance and predict its direction in a variety of industries. The worldwide AI market is expected to develop at an unprecedented rate, rising from its present worth of $100 billion to an outstanding $2 trillion by 2030. This growth indicates a wider use and greater investment in AI technologies across a variety of industries. AI software currently generates more than $50 billion in global sales each year, demonstrating its outstanding economic influence. We project this figure to rise as AI solutions evolve and expand into new market areas. Consumer trust in AI is also increasing, with 65% of people expressing confidence in businesses that use AI to improve their services. This increased trust suggests a shift in public opinion as people recognize the potential benefits of AI in terms of improving user experiences and service quality. Corporate adoption of AI is strong, with two-thirds of organizations currently using or expecting to incorporate AI technologies into their operations. This universal acceptance highlights AI's potential as a disruptive force in business processes. Furthermore, about 80% of firms today view AI as a vital component of their strategic planning. This consensus emphasizes the relevance of AI as a fundamental driver of innovation and competitive advantage. 72% of executives believe that AI will provide the most significant commercial benefit in the future. AI's ability to optimize operations, improve decision-making, and generate new opportunities for growth motivates this viewpoint. Together, these numbers show not only AI's current effect but also its potential to change sectors and competitive landscapes in the near future. Chatbot stats. The chatbot business has grown significantly in recent years, driven by an increased need for continuous, 24-hour customer support and a desire to minimize operational costs. Furthermore, there is a growing consumer appetite for self-service choices, prompting businesses to automate different areas of their sales and support operations. Convincing statistics in the fields of chatbots and artificial intelligence support this trend towards automation, which enables more timely and cost-effective services. Expectation for the market for chatbots is to grow at an astounding annual pace of 23.3%, reaching $15.5 billion by 2028. This expansion reflects the technology's increasing incorporation into company processes as well as consumer acceptability. A sizable majority of consumers, 87.2%, rated their interactions with chatbots as neutral or good, with 62% preferring to deal with digital customer support assistants over waiting for human representatives. This demonstrates a shift in customer expectations, with speed and efficiency becoming as important as human interaction. Chatbots are also expected to transform labor in customer support centers. Experts project that chatbots will automate approximately 30% of the work currently performed by contact center personnel, potentially leading to savings of up to $23 billion in the United States alone. Furthermore, chatbots may manage 30% of live chat engagements and automate up to 80% of mundane operations, resulting in significant operational efficiency. In terms of reactivity, chatbots outperform traditional approaches, giving responses 3 times faster on average. This efficiency is critical for increasing client satisfaction and streamlining the customer service process. Sales employs the most digital assistants, 41%, followed by client services, 37%. Chatbot marketing applications rank third, accounting for 17% of their utilization. This distribution demonstrates chatbots' versatility in fulfilling a number of functions, including lead generation and sales closing, as well as customer care and marketing campaigns. These data not only demonstrate chatbots' current importance in various business sectors but also their potential to transform customer engagement and service delivery in the near future. Meet INVT AI Chatbot. Are you still considering using an AI chatbot in your business? Register for our complimentary platform that streamlines your process, enabling you to save your time with the INVT AI chatbot swiftly, in mere minutes rather than weeks. Join us today to revolutionize how you develop and present your key project insights.